Hey fam, just made a new Instagram reel on top of the washing machine. Laundry plus dance equals viral. Ma'am, you're not Beyonce, you're barefoot on a spinning appliance. Wait, so that boom sound wasn't my science experiment? Pinky, did you just break my LG front loader? That machine costs more than your entire lipstick collection. This reel better be called Spin Cycle, the musical soap and regret. Relax everyone, I read on WhatsApp that dancing near detergents increases positivity. In my day, we washed clothes with our hands and didn't twerk in rinse mode. Uploaded the full video. Title:
Pinky Aunty versus washing machine foam party disaster.
Already got 3.2k views, one remix, and someone asked if it's a trailer for Shark Tank. I witnessed everything. I will never be the same. This is why I warned you all. Washing machines are watching us. She triggered their defense system. Wake up, family. She didn't go viral, she went full tornado. Took the machine with her. Okay, but did I look good? Like, at least a 7.5/10. You look like a shampoo ad filmed during a power outage. I thought it was a new Netflix show. I clapped twice.
Upton machine now shakes when it hears music. It has trauma, we all do.
I'm Googling.
Can fabric softener fix a cracked motor?